Longest river of India? The correct answer is Ganga. Highest mountain in India? The correct answer is Kanchenjunga. Largest state by area? The correct answer is Rajasthan. Smallest state? The correct answer is Goa. Capital of India? The correct answer is New Delhi. Where is Thar Desert? The correct answer is Rajasthan. How many states in India? The correct answer is 28. How many union territories? The correct answer is 8. Longest coastline state? The correct answer is Gujarat. Nilgiri Hills are in? The correct answer is Tamil Nadu. Satpura range extends in which direction? The correct answer is east-west. Main monsoon branch? The correct answer is southwest monsoon. Largest delta of India? The correct answer is Sundarbans. Kaveri Nadi falls into? The correct answer is Bay of Bengal. Narmada falls into? The correct answer is Arabian Sea. Indian Standard Time based on? The correct answer is 82.5 degrees C longitude. Run of Kutch is in? The correct answer is Gujarat. Loktak Lake is in? The correct answer is Manipur. Highest waterfall in India? The correct answer is Kunchikal. Largest plateau? The correct answer is Deccan Plateau. Western Ghats also called? The correct answer is Sahyadris. Most populous state? The correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. Least populous state? The correct answer is Sikkim. Lakshadweep is in? The correct answer is Arabian Sea. Andaman Nicobar in? The correct answer is Bay of Bengal. Origin of Ganga? The correct answer is Gangotri. Brahmaputra known as in India? The correct answer is Dihang. Largest coalfield? The correct answer is Jharia. Sundarbans in? The correct answer is West Bengal. Highest plateau in India? The correct answer is Ladakh. Largest island of India? The correct answer is Middle Andaman. Longest bridge of India? The correct answer is Bhupen Hazarika Bridge. Chilika Lake in? The correct answer is Odisha. Coldest place? The correct answer is Dras. Origin of Narmada? The correct answer is Amarkantak. Godavari falls into? The correct answer is Bay of Bengal. Biggest port? The correct answer is Mumbai. Longest NH? The correct answer is NH-44. Rivers forming Sundarbans? The correct answer is Ganga, Brahmaputra. Largest mineral state? The correct answer is Jharkhand. Eastern Ghats mostly in? The correct answer is Odisha. Narmada Valley project on? The correct answer is Narmada. Origin of Kaveri? The correct answer is Brahmagiri. Chambal is tributary of? The correct answer is Yamuna. Beas is tributary of? The correct answer is Sutlej. Mansarovar Lake in? The correct answer is Tibet. Tibetan plateau called? The correct answer is Roof of the World. World's longest river? The correct answer is Nile. Largest ocean? The correct answer is Pacific. Largest desert? The correct answer is Sahara.